I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Check gear, stacks, and consumables, then form the raid group and lock roles. Once done, assign positional markers and shorthand callouts so everyone knows responsibilities. This prevents wasted time during pulls. Make sure to pick a route to the entrance and queue or invite quickly, because momentum matters. You should also confirm key add-ons and communication channels. Doing this now avoids mid-raid confusion and speeds the first pull. You maintain control through the fight by calling and reacting to mechanics. Watch phase timers and announce transitions early so everyone adapts. Once adds spawn, assign crowd control targets and focus fire priorities. Use 1-2 interrupt rotations to stop dangerous casts. Make sure to rotate defensive cooldowns and plan DPS windows around raid buffs. Synchronized bursts reduce phase length. Communicate positioning changes clearly and remind players why stacking or spreading matters to avoid. You close the encounter by committing cooldowns and consumables for the final burn. Coordinate a single, decisive push and keep interrupts up until the last cast. Once the boss falls, collect loot efficiently, repair gear, and record any role or strategy adjustments for the next run. If things go wrong, reset calmly. Analyze logs or add-on warnings, adjust assignments, and rerun the pull with small changes. Making one targeted fix per attempt prevents chaos and accelerates consistent clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.